Go. Okay, so part A, write down the coordinate of the point A. So really we're looking at the point A is the second occasion where it crosses the x-axis. So what makes the y value 0? So that's obviously the x squared is what's occurred at 0. That's where we've got that minimum point. So our second occasion when y is 0 is when this bracket has to be 0. So 9 minus 2x has to be 0. So 9 take away 2x equals 0, so just rearranging that we can see that x equals 4.5. So the point A is 4.5, 0. Now really you just need to learn for part B what's happening to these functions. Anything inside the bracket affects the x coordinates and does really the opposite to what you would expect. So x plus 3 moves the x coordinates 3 to the left. So just shift all of these, shift the whole curve and the coordinates with the x coordinates going 3 to the left. So our double dip here is at minus 3 naught. Our maximum is now at 0.27 and our point A is shifted 3 to the left, so is now 1.5 naught. Excuse the dodgy lines, it was difficult to do this at home. Now for part 2, okay, you think that would be tripling the x values, but it isn't. It does the opposite. We're going to be dividing the x values by 3, so they all are divided by 3. So the origin remains at 0, 0, because obviously 0 divided by 3 is 0. The maximum, the x coordinate divided by 3 gives us 127, and a divided by 3, 4.5 divided by 3 is also 1.5. That is a coincidence that has stayed at 1.5 compared to part 1. Now part C is different. We're now affecting outside the bracket, outside the function. This affects the y values, and does exactly as it says on the tin. Now we're told that the maximum point is now 310. So the y value has been reduced by 17, so k must just simply be a minus 17.